The political fight over Arvind Kejriwal, what he eats in jail and whether there is a conspiracy to try and kill him by denying him medicines got even more heated. Today, a Delhi court, the Rouse Avenue court, denied the plea filed by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal that sought permission to administer insulin to him on Tihar jail premises. Kejriwal in his plea had sought permission to consult his family doctor through video conferencing for 15 minutes due to his fluctuating sugar level. Now, Arvind Kejriwal has written a letter to Tihar jail superintendent saying the jail administration's claim on insulin is false. He also said that he has been asking for his prescribed insulin every day since he was incarcerated, yet the jail authorities have released a false statement that he never mentioned it. He further went on to say that the AIIMS doctor never said there was nothing to worry about and the Tihar administration is lying under political pressure. Times now spoke to the Tihar DG about what the truth really is. Is really the jail administration lying under pressure? Is really the insulin that Arvind Kejriwal is desperately in need of being denied to him? Listen in.
Latest controversy, I'm coming straight to the point. Questions have been raised that you are not taking proper care of the Delhi Chief Minister, who is also an inmate here. What do you have to say about that?
About him, we have already filed what action we have taken before the court, and the court is considering it. So I would refrain from making a comment about that person concerned. I have to set systems in order, which is same for everyone. And this is...
There's no discrimination, no special privilege which is being given to you.
Only, let's say, suppose someone is not able to get up.
Now, Arvind Kejriwal's prescription, which says that he stopped taking insulin a few months back, also claimed that insulin intake was stopped by a doctor that he consulted in Telangana. However, the Aam Aadmi Party that yesterday staged protests outside Tihar jail now has accused the jail administration of refusing to give insulin to Kejriwal, who suffers from diabetes. Delhi Minister Atishi made grave allegations against the ruling BJP, ED, Tihar jail officials and in a press conference said that at the behest of the BJP, now Tihar was trying to kill Arvind Kejriwal.
देश में तो क्या दुनिया में आपको कोई ऐसा डॉक्टर नहीं मिलेगा जो आपको कह देगा कि 300 के ऊपर का शुगर लेवल बिना इंसुलिन के इंजेक्शन से कंट्रोल हो सकता है। लेकिन कोर्ट को गुमराह करने की साजिश की जाती है, कोर्ट को एम्स के डॉक्टर्स का हवाला दिया जाता है, लेकिन कोई कंसल्टेशन नहीं हुई, कोई डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट का डाइट चार्ट नहीं आया, कोई डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट का प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं आया और भारतीय जनता पार्टी कहती है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को इंसुलिन की जरूरत नहीं।
Now remember, in a joint rally, first in Delhi and then in Ranchi, all of INDIA had got together to say that people like Hemant Soren, Arvind Kejriwal are deliberately being victimized because they stand up to the Narendra Modi government. And even today, on the issue of the medical treatment of Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi CM got all the backing from his allies.
मुझे भी मेरी दवा नहीं मिल रही थी। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी सबको मालूम है डायबिटीज़ के बहुत सीरियस उनकी बीमारी है। डायबिटीज़ इंसुलिन होता है, दवाई होती है। ये तो एक मानवता चाहिए ना, ह्यूमैनिटी चाहिए। ये एक मुख्यमंत्री है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी एक मुख्यमंत्री है, पूरा बहुमत उनके पास है विधानसभा में, एक सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता है। लेकिन आप उनको उनकी दवा उनके साथ नहीं लेने जा रही है, उनके तक नहीं पहुंच रही है, तो आप क्या उनका अंदर हत्या करना चाहते हो? ये जो है मोदी जी की सरकार, अमित शाह जी की सरकार, ये तो बहुत खतरनाक और शैतानी सरकार है।
तो इंसुलिन उनको मिलती है ना वहां पर, लेकिन उसका प्रोपेगेंडा करना, तो इसका मतलब है कि आप भी अब उस मुद्दे से हटाना चाहते हैं जो करप्शन का मुद्दा आप पर लगा है। आप चाह रहे हैं इसको लाकर हम इंसुलिन पर तो करप्शन की जो इंसुलिन लगी है उसके बारे में चर्चा करिए, इस इंसुलिन के बारे में चिंता कर रहे हैं वहां के डॉक्टर्स।
It's time the AAP party and Arvind Kejriwal stop playing victim card. The jail authorities have said on record how they're monitoring the insulin and that everything is normal. Having said that, if a person in contention chooses not to take medication on time just to create a situation out of it, I think it's unfortunate. Please focus on what the issue is. Why are you in jail in the first place? What are the charges against you? And respond to that, and don't play these theatrics and optics just to suit yourself.
All right, Vineet Goenka, political analyst, joining us along with Dr. Sanjeev Bagai, chairperson at Nephron, and Ravi Srivastava, political analyst, supports the Aam Aadmi Party. Now it turns out, Ravi Srivastava, according to this medical prescription, which is from the 1st of April, the 2nd of April 2024, it says initially inmate was taking insulin till last few years, stopped insulin few months back allegedly by the Telangana doctor. Inmate recently complained of increased spike of the blood sugar, following which he was started on these 3 medicines. All this while Aam Aadmi Party has been saying insulin de nahi rahe, insulin de nahi rahe. But on the 2nd of April, Mr. Kejriwal said, meri insulin to kuch mahine pehle band ho chuki hai. A doctor in Telangana told him he doesn't need to take insulin.
First of all, diabetes is a medicine which has got spikes in the sugar level sometimes. The fluctuations in the sugar level is the only sign of diabetes. So if it goes up, the doctors decide about it. If it crosses a particular limit, they decide about the insulin shots. So what is the big drama of it? I don't know. Why this is being made like this? Why should he not be taken to a proper specialist and consult him who checks him and prescribes the proper medicine?
Sir, today exactly that plea was made before a Delhi court, and the Delhi court said you cannot have regular consultation with your doctor.
That is wrong. That is incorrect. That entitles. I'm with a due respect to the court, I'm saying I'm against this particular order. If it is so, every individual is entitled, a prisoner, with basic
But he
rights.
is getting medical
He has to be
attention
given-
in jail.
he
There
is
is a
free
jail
to-
doctor. That is what the Tihar jail said in a statement, that he is entitled to consult whoever he wants inside jail. There is somebody who is actually attached to him to say if he needs insulin, he will be given insulin in the requisite doses. What I'm trying to understand, Mr. Srivastava, कि problem क्या है? मतलब we've gone round and round in circles saying अभी डॉक्टर नहीं है, अभी इंसुलिन नहीं है, अभी खाना नहीं है, अभी पूड़ी नहीं है, अभी आम खा रहे हैं. प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
All that has been clarified already. How much mango he took or how much food he
I am
took.
asking you
So
today,
don't
we are
address-
being told there is an attempt to kill Arvind Kejriwal.
No.
How?
No, yes. This is it. This is the harassment.
How?
Inhuman treatment. Yes, it is.
What is the harassment?
Yeah, it is. Because you need a particular specialist for that. You know who knows about the diabetes, who can be consulted for diabetes. If he has got his own doctor whom he consults for that, he should be put on call with him on a regular basis as many times possible.
You know what the court said today? I want to quickly read out to you what the order copy says. Diet chart doesn't prescribe mangoes. Insulin cannot be given on request. Teleconsultation was done on the 20th of April. Teleconsultation was done on the 20th of April. It's not like he's being denied medical attention. Mr. Kejriwal can only have home food. All of this is recorded in the order.
I beg to differ with the order. He should be allowed to consult the doctor specialist, diabetes specialist, diabetologist as many times he needs it.
Okay,
This
Dr.
is a human
Bagai,
requirement.
Dr. Bagai, if you can come in on this. Sure, there may be a jail doctor, but why not allow him access to his personal physician or to a diabetologist? Isn't this harassment, denying him access to a specialist?
Good evening, everyone. So I will try to meander some of the politics and the bizarre, unsubstantiated claims, giving anyone in prison and things like that, or attempt to. I'll keep it only on medical. Diabetes is an extremely common disease which is seen in millions of patients worldwide, likewise in India. There are 3 major cornerstones as far as the management is concerned. One is lifestyle, that is exercise. Second is diet. And third is the medication. Now, if a particular person who is diabetic or borderline diabetic or running a high random sugar, fasting sugar, PP sugar or high HbA1c takes unnecessary excess high caloric and high carbohydrate and high glycemic food, the sugars are going to fluctuate. So the diet chart needs to be followed and adhered to, not so much only from a jail point of view, but from an individual prisoner point of view. Now, mind you, at the present moment, with all due respects, this gentleman, Mr. Kejriwal, is a person who's in prison under trial. He has to follow certain rules, regulations, which the jail authorities and the law lays down for. Now, insulin, if it has been stopped earlier, we respect that. If it needs to be started, it will be decided by the doctor, the medical aid, which is available in the jail. If the doctor who's available, who's giving the medical attention, like to all prisoners, feels that a specialist consult is required, let him so decide. Point number 2 is there is a court. If the court has ordered a particular thing, we have to respect what the court order is. I can't go against that. But medically speaking, if the sugars are controlled on oral medication, if the person's fluctuation is not much, if the person's diet is controlled. Now, if a person is going to eat too much of mangoes, too much of bananas, or any other high, what we call as glycemic index food, the sugars are bound to spike.
But Dr. Pagai, if I could just again bring you back to the insulin part. Is a jail doctor capable of administering insulin? Because all Mr. Kejriwal is saying, let me refer to a specialist. I want to talk to a specialist. I am a diabetic.
Padmaja, insulin is something which is routinely taken even by patients on their own. You don't need a specialist to prescribe it or give it. A jail doctor is fully qualified, fully authorized to use a medication if required. These days, insulin comes as a self-loading insulin injectable pump. You don't even, it's a syringe. It's a loaded pen. You don't need fancy equipment for it.
So what would you say? I'm going to ask you point blank. As a medical specialist, if somebody is arguing by not letting me consult my own physician, you're trying to kill me because my insulin levels will, go haywire. Would you agree with that? Disagree with that?
100% disagree.
Okay, 100% disagree. I want to quickly, before I bring in Vineet Goenka, quickly go across to Pranesh. Pranesh Roy has the order copy. What has the court said about the issue of insulin, about the issue of food? Pranesh.
Yeah, Padmaja, let's come to point number 32. It says that this court is also unable to fathom as to why the family of the applicant has been sending various articles against his medically prescribed diet, that is mango, sweets, aloo puri, etc. In this regard, reference may be made to rejoinder filed by the applicant, wherein in para number 13, it is mentioned by the applicant himself that mango sweets stated to be sugar-free and aloo puri as prasad was sent to him in jail by his family. The court has not spared the jail authorities too. The next point. The jail authorities in the present case have also offered no explanation whatsoever as to why the food items which were not as per order of this court dated 1/4/2024 and the medical prescription of the applicant were allowed to be sent to him in the first place. The fact that jail authorities have an entire list of home-cooked food received by the applicant clearly shows that they were all along aware about the diet he was receiving.
Okay.
The jail administration neither brought the said non-compliance of the order to the notice of the court, nor took any steps to ensure that the applicant does not consume those food items which were not prescribed by his doctor.
Okay, then in that case, Vineet Goenka, the Tihar jail authorities also have questions to answer. They keep arguing. He kept eating puri, his sugar went up. What can we do? They did nothing to alert people to what was going on.
Padmaja ji, Ram Ram to you, Ram Ram to my panelists and all the viewers.
Viewers are watching me right now. Couple of points. One, I would like to correct your journalist who went there to interview the jail authorities. What he meant there was that there was an attempt by the jail authorities, which is incorrect. But let me tell you what I understand with my limited knowledge. An under trial should follow not only the jail rules, but also be responsible for his own health. I am repeating this line, responsible for his own health. By consuming things which will harm him, he is showing suicidal tendencies. I would request jail authorities and also the court to give him a psychiatric or some consultation which will help him, because these suicidal tendencies are not good. Two, we should also investigate, while the family is educated,
They knew that this kind of food can harm him. Why did they send this? Is there a conspiracy by deliberately giving him the food from the family, which will harm his health? So we should investigate both the angles, whether he has a suicidal tendency, or two, whether the family really wants to harm him because the food is going from his family. If I have something which allergic to food, my family will restrain to give it to me, whether I'm in my office or my residence. So in a jail, if somebody is deliberately pushing a food which is harming him, I see a conspiracy from his family, from his party to deliberately play with his health so that it can be mileage in the politics. So my request to them also will be, don't play with him. Even if I dislike him, even if I dislike his philosophy, I would like to pray for his good health and long life. Number three, jails have its own SOPs. They have doctors. There are thousands of inmates who have been there for decades. They're responsible for that. They are answerable for that. So if there is something which has to be done, it has to be the jail doctors, the jail manual, and if they feel, they will do the consultation. Now, there is a classic case of Telangana connection, whether it is a liquor where they had bribes which were coming from the southern lobby, and Telangana was one place where it's a charge that he got bribed, or the doctors. Why can't he believe the doctors of his own state? When he was CM in Delhi, he should have consulted doctors in his own mohalla clinic, in his own hospital. That clearly shows to me that the health conditions in Delhi were not good under his leadership. So, my charge is he deliberately allowed the health conditions of Delhi to spoil so that he can go to Telangana. And he should answer to the people, thousands of people, lakhs of people who visit Delhi hospital, mohalla clinics. Will they be able to go to this kind of specialist?
Okay, we will restrict ourselves right now to the case of Mr. Kejriwal, and more importantly, the issue of why he's being given this kind of food and why he is not being given insulin as he has charged. As of right now, a court in Delhi has said he does not need to have private consultations. There is medical attention available for him inside jail. And on the issue of insulin, now there are documents to show that it was discontinued quite a while ago. Then what does one make of all allegations about a conspiracy to kill? I'll leave it to your wisdom. We've just put the medical opinion and the documents in front of you. Thanks, gentlemen, for joining me.